Imagine you're relaxing on your back porch when a patrol car pulls up. Most people panic, but knowing where the legal line is on your own grass changes everything. Before we dive in, a quick reminder. I am not a lawyer, and this video is for informational purposes only. It is not legal advice. Your home is often called your castle in the eyes of the law, but that protection doesn't always start and stop at your front door. It extends to what's called your curtilage. That's just a fancy word for the area immediately surrounding your home, like your driveway, your porch, or your fenced backyard. Think of it this way. An police officer has the same right to walk up to your front door as a delivery driver or a neighbor. This is called a knock and talk. They don't need a warrant just to knock. However, there is a big difference between them standing on your doorstep and them wandering into your backyard or peeking through your garage windows. Let's look at a scenario. An officer knocks and says, "Hey, we're looking for a lead on a nearby incident. Do you mind if we take a quick look around your property?" In the heat of the moment, you might feel like saying no makes you look guilty. But remember, your space is private for a reason. Here is exactly what you should say. "Officer, I'm happy to speak with you briefly right here, but I do not consent to any searches of my home or my property. Do you have a warrant?" Keep your tone calm and respectful. You aren't being difficult, you're being clear. If they don't have a warrant, they generally need your permission or a very specific emergency to go further. If they keep pushing, you can say, "I'm going to go back inside now. Unless you have a warrant or I'm being detained, I'd like to end this conversation." Avoid being aggressive. Don't yell, "Get off my land," and don't physically try to block them. If an officer enters your property without your consent and without a warrant, the best thing you can do is document it. This brings us to our action steps. First, if you see police on your property, start recording from a safe distance. Most of us have smartphones. Use them. You want to capture what was said and where the officers went. Second, keep a calm hands posture. Don't reach for your pockets or make sudden moves. Third, if they do enter, do not physically resist. Simply state loudly, enough for your camera to hear, "I do not consent to this entry or search." Why does this matter? Because of the plain view doctrine. If an officer is standing on your porch and sees something illegal through a window, they might then have probable cause to enter. But if they had to hop a locked fence to see it, a judge might later rule that evidence inadmissible because your privacy rights were violated. Navigating these moments is about de-escalation. Your goal is to end the interaction safely while keeping your rights intact. You don't need to be an expert in constitutional law to protect your space. You just need to know where your boundaries are and how to communicate them firmly but politely. If you found this breakdown useful, please hit that like button and subscribe. It helps us a lot. Be safe.